We hope you enjoy yourselves this evening, but please remember to drink responsibly.
We're here in Austin, Texas at a Lowe's. We got our Chamberlain machines right here. So I'm gonna go down the line. This is the basic one, the first one. It's a Chamberlain chain drive. It's $128 plus tax. Comes with one remote, your basic wall button, and some safety sensors. The next one over, got another Chamberlain chain drive, medium duty, half horsepower. It's $158 plus tax. Comes with two remotes, a wireless keypad. It has a dual function wall control and safety sensors. We jump over to this guy. We have a half horsepower belt drive. Comes with two remotes, dual function wall control, and this one's $168 plus tax. Jump over to this guy, $198 plus tax. It's a Chamberlain belt drive. This one has built-in Wi-Fi, so that way you can connect with your smartphone. It comes with two remotes, a keyless entry pad, a smartphone monitor control, the dual function wall control, and your safety sensors. This guy here has a 10-year motor and a 15-year belt warranty. Next one is $268 plus tax. This one has built-in Wi-Fi as well. It has two remotes. It has a deluxe function, full function wall control. Has a digital readout. Has a wireless keypad, safety sensors. This guy here has a lifetime motor and belt warranty, and that's $268 plus tax. So this is what you're going to find at your local Lowe's. Chamberlain is a great brand, and it is 2018. So Happy New Year. Good luck. Thanks for watching today, and if you have any questions about these units, please don't forget to ask. Leave a comment, hit the like button. We'll talk to you soon, guys. Thanks.